da ka jing thmu ban pen su thu ya ki pai ba nong shong shnong jong gari Bhoi district chapang ka bia dei bat ko hok jong ki ban jet ye ki nong mi khmat bat ru ban es no tilang bat kari baro ka wei ka office jong ka deputy commissioner manda ke sngi ka lapan long ya ka national voters day ha district library auditorium hall nongpo ha ka ni ke sngi ka kong RM kurba deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district ka lalong ka kong san bat lai don langru ki we pat ke sarkar pat ki samla ki benang shio penrung kerteng themai hapo ka electoral roll layo ru ya ka jingya pulilang ya ka pledge ka balong ka jingpla ban penshilo re ki samla ban shementa ha ka jingya jet nong mi kamat kum ki nong shong shnong ki badon ka jingkit khle ya la ka jongkari
ulen ing ka poitri ka bangat po ka badan school pa ka poitri ka sedang kumne benta hendiat ngan ken mau biang ye kipor ba mensua kipor kan lung ka jing shemham kipor kan rek kata por bangang tip katre ka khi ngatip tania muja imlang salang ngampo ayami sensyar kadar ngam benar menta haba ngalasanga ngaslo khimet khipha haba karta khatra pura kahok na jong ngan ma balai pat ngan dan kwa teruslan haba labiang kia unde ngaru ngan yamilan lahok banyo benta kahok banjie kinong nikman hala ka jong kamon kabor banjie ngahi ngan bat uno budang nganyon badan kam menta kalong balik penrung kerteng kamper la jengai ni halasnong lahok banyo nganyen
about to be the reason to be the to be given that role to choose our own leaders, and Ba has given us a very good explanation. I will not go into that, but the only thing I would say that we should inculcate the spirit of willingness on the part of each and every citizen to come forward to carry out this duty as a citizen of the country, to understand why we're doing this, and to we're coming just a few months from now, we're preparing for the election, for the MLA election. So it's very important, especially this year, the entire year will be very busy with election process. So I take this opportunity to appeal to all those children who are going to attain 18 years on the 1st of January 2023 to come forward and register themselves at the right time, so that they'll be able to take this responsibility upon themselves to elect and select their leaders, and leaders who will be able to protect us. As Ba has rightly said that, we have surrendered our rights to a person. I mean, this is something very serious. We have surrendered our voice to somebody, and that somebody should be able to deliver. If they cannot deliver, then it becomes a problem for you, for us, the electors for 5 years. So therefore, we need to educate, we need to create this awareness. I'm so happy today we have Yoba who has explained to us the importance of why we need to vote, on how to vote in the right earnest, voting with a responsibility, with pride. And the Election Commission this time, they've given a theme to us, accessibility. Everyone can enroll themselves in this modern age from their own home. This e-voting now, I won't say e-voting, e-epic, sorry. E-epic, so you can enroll even from home, right? So it's very accessible for everyone now, especially in this pandemic situation. We don't want to have too much crowd in the disease office too. So it's very important for you to know your BLO. And today we have Ba here who has been recognized as one of the best BLO. Thank you, Ba, for your services.
That the Elections Commission was set up on the 25th of January 1950. After 2.5 years, after 2.5 years, we got our elections commission, which was set up on 25th of January 1950. And the first elections was conducted on the 26th of January 1950. That is the elections, okay, which we elect the head of the state. That is the election to the first president of India. Okay. I hope all of you know who is the first president. It is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India, and he was elected on the 26th of January 1950. So 26th January 1950 is also declared a Republic Day. I hope we know why 26th of January was declared a Republic Day. So many of us, we know about this, but there are some who still they don't know about why do we celebrate a Republic Day. See, 15 August we celebrate because it is our Independence Day, but 26th of January we celebrate a Republic Day because it is a day where the head of the state, it is elected by the people of the states. Though in the elections of the presidents, the people of India do not take part, but we take part in this election indirectly through our representative. That means through our MLA and through our MP. So here it shows that the people by itself, they are taking part in electing the head of the states, who is the president of India. So why this day is very important for all of us? Because in this day, it shows that the power has been given. The power has been given to the people of India to elect the head of the states. See, within this 2 years, when we got independent in 1947, the first election was conducted on 26th of January. Within this 2.5 years, the states of India was still under the control of the British officers. The British officers, there is the Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten.